Hey everyone, it's me Sabir again, and as you know, we are dealing with Google Search Console errors. And in the previous video, we have talked about 404 not found. How can you solve 404 not found in the Google Search Console? In this video, I'm going to talk about excluded by no index tag. How we can solve this error, excluded by no index tag, and what is the reason why Google lists down pages in this tab excluded by no index. So this is on the second position, as you can see. So the reason is why Google shows pages here. Let's just explore it. So you have to open it, and there are around about 660 pages that are affected, and as you can see, the list is goes on, and there are different pages that we are able to saw here. So the reason why Google displays these pages here, because Google find no index tag in these pages, and either we set the tag intentionally or either we did it intentionally, it doesn't matter. Google just crawl these pages and Google find that there should be a no index tag in these pages, so Google lists down all of these pages here. So we have to check one by one, and we also have to inspect them to find out where we set no index tag. Either in these pages there should not be any important page which should be indexed and which should be ranked. So we also need to take care of that. And the first page is product category, Cuban cigar, Bolivar, and page 2. This is a paginate page and it should be no indexed, and I have set it no index in the rank math, because rank math give us an option to set paginated pages no index. So that is why Google shows these pages here. And the second page is Cuban cigar online.com support. So we need to check that. I'm not sure about it, so you just have to click on this arrow. So this is a page, support page, and if I check with this extension, so this is not going to display anything. So the another option we can use is we can check with view page resource, and we will find if we are able to see if there is no index tag. No index. So it should be, it's somewhere. Just wait. So this is I found it here, content follow, and this is no index, and this is set by this tag robots, content is follow, and we set them no index. So that means we did it intentionally and we set the meta report tags. Okay, so this is a page, support, view resource, and no index. So as you can see, this is a meta report tags, content follow, and no index, and Google lists down here. So we have to close it, and then we have to move to the next page. Contact page 2. I don't know why this extension is not working today. Okay, again we have to check manually view page resource, and this is also declared as noindex as there is a meta report tags present. We can see in the backend. So this is here. Okay, so this is also set as noindex tag. And let's just check this one. So blog page, and it's a variation view page resource, and this is also noindex. And this is career page. And this is not indexable, as you can see if I check it manually. So this is set noindex. So that way you have to go through all of this and you have to find out if there is any important page or not. And if there is any important page, you have to remove the noindex tag and just validated it, and it will be gone from here. Otherwise all the pages that have noindex tag will be present here. So I hope you get the idea how noindex tag is working and why Google lists down pages that have excluded by noindex tag. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.